What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, I'd like to request every single person to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out all the videos, everything, all that good stuff. Let's get straight into this one. So the reason for this one is actually quite simple. Is because I've loved Air Force Ones forever, and when we had a little bit of a Air Force One break, meaning they were hard to find, I had to find alternative white Air Forces or white trainers, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. So I got like the Air Force One fresh, and then I thought, I might as well try to get all the different variations as there's loads. So the one that we have here is the Air Force One Next Nature. I'm not reading all the extra stuff. The colorway is white, black. I'm honestly just gonna call them triple white just to make it easier. The size is UK 9, US 10, centimeters 28, and all that good stuff. Style code on this pair is DC 9486101. So you can see the Next Nature and all that stuff. It is the Move to Zero campaign, etc. So it says this product is made with at least 20% recycled content by weight, which reduces waste and our carbon footprint. I'll go straight into it to have a look at the triple white, or to me the triple white Air Force One Next Nature. So just by looking at this pair, you can tell straight away, you know, it looks basically the same as an Air Force One. Triple white standard Air Force One pair. We'll start off with the bottom, and that's where it is slightly different. I'm not sure if you can see all those little speckles, etc. That indicates usually on these Next Nature type pairs that the sole is kind of made up of like recycled materials, so that's why it's got those little specks and stuff in there. Normal white midsole on them, and then the upper is all standard. It does feel like different material, definitely, compared to the standard one. The laces on this do feel a bit different as well. I'm not sure if they're the same, it just feels weird to me. We've got that good old Dubray. I got used to having trainers with no Dubray, to be honest, or sneakers with no Dubray. I don't know if I prefer it. I think I probably do, not gonna lie. And then the black bit that it says on the box is literally just that, the tongue label. And then one major thing is the insole is this. On every Next Nature pair, they got this like Volt yellowish insole. And then obviously on the inside, same old. So it basically is a triple white pair of Air Force Ones, Next Nature. Feels different. Obviously, haven't really worn them enough to give my full honest review on them. If I can't find normal white Air Forces, then I gotta get these. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, please make sure you watch the other videos. There's some comparison videos, so the different types of Air Force Ones. I will be doing more of them, and this sneaker will be included. But yeah, let me know what you think of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot. And most importantly, make care, my people. Make care. Take care, people.